This is why I always go back to the OGs. So this is the Audio-Technica ATH M40Xs. And after 10 months of heavy usage, it broke on me. So I bought headphones that I know would last me a lifetime. So these are the SONY MDR 7506s. So these headphones are the industry standards for music production, film editing, and for like gaming. Before actually getting the Audio-Technicas, I actually had a pair of the Sony MDR 7506s, and that lasted me like 6 or 7 years. Honestly, it's still working. I'm not sure where they are at the moment. And I thought upgrading would be a good option, but that just goes to show, newer doesn't always mean better. Fall for more.